like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about EXO's Chen, Baekhyun, and Xiumin. Only here on Annyeong Chika Update! EXO's Chen, Baekhyun, and Xiumin filed a lawsuit against SM Entertainment. An official from INB100, EXO CBX agency, shared their statement on June 26 about the legal complaint they filed against SM executives. Yesterday, the members in INB100 filed a complaint with the Songdong Police Station in Seoul against SM Entertainment CAO or Chief A&R Officer Lee Sung-soo and co-CEO Ta Kyung-chun for fraud in violation of the Act on the Aggravated Punishment, etc. of specific economic crimes. Back on June 10, representatives of EXO's Chen, Baekhyun, and Xiumin held a press conference and stated SM Entertainment disregarded the negotiated terms that were the premise of the agreement. Later on that day, SM Entertainment responded on their claims, refuting the allegations that were made at the press conference. That's it mga kaanyong. What can you say about the legal complaint that EXO CBX filed against SM Entertainment executives? Comment your thoughts below.
And then please like and